power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. And today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today we find out together, which one is truly better? Let's dive in. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $28 million. In second place, we have another Rolls-Royce icon, the Boat Tail, priced at approximately $28 million. Inspired by luxury yachts, this car includes unique features such as a built-in hosting suite, a refrigerator, and handcrafted accessories designed for ultimate luxury. Number 1, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Droptail, $30 million. Taking the number 1 spot is the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Droptail, officially the most expensive car in the world in 2026, with a price of around $30 million. This masterpiece represents the peak of bespoke luxury, handcrafted with incredible attention to detail and produced in extremely limited numbers. Fun fact: this model features a removable carbon fiber roof, offering an open-top experience without sacrificing rigidity or elegance. What do you prefer?